Welcome class 11. In this period of lockdown, we are unlocking the door of your syllabus one by one, chapter by chapter. Since you have already done and now it is the turn to open the lock of next chapter, and that is relation and function. This is very important, very interesting topic. कितना important that the next topic, trigonometry, limits and derivative in the last chapters, they depend upon this topic. Means this topic has its application direct or indirect in these topics, and in class 12th also this topic relation and function has its importance. You will find those chapters easier if you have good command on this topic. So relation and function एक कहानी की तरह शुरू करते हैं, और इस कहानी के करेक्टर we have character number 1 ordered pair, then we have Cartesian product इसका set, ordered pair का set, and then relation is what? Subset of Cartesian product. Function subset of relation. So ये छोटी सी बात, but one by one we'll discuss them in detail. So what is ordered pair? Ordered pair, it is pair of elements taken in a specific order. कैसे? जैसे हमारे पास x axis है, we have y axis. Any point in this first quadrant, कुछ भी लेते हैं, P is a point having coordinates 3, 2. And let us say we have another point Q having coordinate 2, 3. Now see, these are the ordered pair. Why? Because the first element of each pair is of x axis, and the second element is of y coordinate. So you cannot say that first we can take from y axis and second we can take from x axis. ऐसा नहीं ले सकते और ये these are the two different points. P is not same as Q because here the first element is of x coordinate, second is of y. This here x coordinate is 2, here the x coordinate is 3. The 2 points are not equal. They are known as ordered pair. So in general, this is the example of ordered pair. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate if you take the points in the plane. Otherwise, this is the element of first set, this is the element from the second set. So ordered pair clear hua. Now what is equality of ordered pair? When the two ordered pair are equal. See, let us take, we have these two ordered pair and they are equal. If the two ordered pairs are equal, it implies that first element is equal to the first and the second element of the first ordered pair is equal to the second element of the second ordered pair. Only then the ordered pairs are equal. For एक question लेते हैं. Find the value of x so that these two x and y दोनों लेते हैं. See, we have 5 and y minus 1. So two ordered pair are equal. Find the value of x and y. So these two ordered pair are equal. It implies x plus 1 is equal to first element is equal to the first. So it implies x is equal to 4. And second ऐसे compare करते हैं. यहाँ लेते हैं. See, 4 is equal to y minus 1 implies y is equal to 4 plus 1, that is 5. So what is the answer? Find the value of x and y है ना. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. This is the answer. The two ordered pair are equal. Now if the two ordered pair are equal, I am again writing. See, these two ordered pair are equal. They are equal only when A is equal to B. इस साइज तक तभी equal हो सकते हैं जब दोनों same है. अच्छा, एक चीज और, that we have set having element A and B and this is the ordered pair A and B. These two things are not same, not same. This is a set having element A and B. This is the ordered pair having A and B. दोनों अलग अलग आते हैं. Now again, in an ordered pair दोनों एलिमेंट सेम भी हो सकते हैं. जरूरी नहीं कि हर बार ये दोनों अलग अलग ही हों. They can be same also. एंड ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में ऑर्डर इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैंने पहले कह दिया. जैसे ऑर्डर कैसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपके पास सॉक्स हैं, आपके पास शूज हैं, तो पहले आपको सॉक्स पहननी है और शूज उसके बाद पहनने. आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि पहले शूज पहन लिए फिर सॉक्स ऊपर से चढ़ा ली. ऑर्डर इज इंपॉर्टेंट. So ordered pair clear. Now come to what is the Cartesian product. Cartesian product is a set of two sets. See, we have set A and B. Both are non-empty. We have non-empty sets A and B. And now Cartesian product of these two sets denoted by A cross B. और आप इसको ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते, ऐसे सोचना भी नहीं, तो इसको छोड़ दीजिए. A cross B, A Cartesian product B क्या चीज है, पहले हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. We have set A having element 1, 2, 3 and we have set B having element AB. Now what is the Cartesian product? So okay, इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसे करके यहाँ लिखते हैं. A Cartesian product B is again a set of what? पहला सेट है A, second सेट है B. Now this all the elements of set A पेयर करेंगे सेट B के एलिमेंट्स का. इसको ऐसे लिखना बेटा, ऐसे सेट B सेट A. So 1A पेयरिंग करेगा इसका एलिमेंट इसके सारे एलिमेंट्स के साथ. 1B. अब और कोई एलिमेंट B में नहीं है तो अगला एलिमेंट 2. 2 will get paired with A and then 2 with B. Next 3. 3A and 3B. और कोई एलिमेंट A में भी नहीं है, सभी की पेयरिंग होगी. दिस इज अ सेट ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. कौन? A Cartesian product B is a set of ordered pair in such a way. And if you want to find out B Cartesian product A, then what is it? अब फर्स्ट एलिमेंट होगा सेट B से, सेकेंड एलिमेंट होगा सेट A से. So A will get pair with each element of A set A. So A1, A2, A3. Then B1, B2, B3 and close. Now you can easily see the two sets are not equal. Cartesian product A cross B is not same as Cartesian product of B and A. They are not equal. Usually they are not equal. They are not equal. But you can see here that the number of elements in set A. How many elements are there in set A? We just write it here. इसको रब कर देते हैं because we have less space here. लॉकडाउन में छोटे से बोर्ड पर काम करना पड़ रहा है. Now number of elements in set A, how many? 3. How many elements are there in set B? You can see 2. Now how many elements are there in A cross B? कितने हैं भाई? काउंट कर लें. 1, 2, 3, 6 elements are here. 6. And how many elements are there in B cross A? Again, we can count 6, and it is same as number of element in set A into number of element in set B. And it is here also. We have number of element in set B into number of element in set A. So it means the number of elements in these Cartesian product AB and BA will be remain same, but the sets are not the same. We have already written. It means Cartesian product of A and B commutative नहीं है, commutative नहीं है, but they are equivalent sets. They are not equal sets, but they are equivalent sets. Number of element यहाँ हम लिख देते हैं because number of elements जब same होते हैं तो वो equivalent sets होते हैं. जब तक सेट सेम नहीं है तो ये इक्वल सेट्स तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. Now take the example of just consider what is the ordered triplet. अभी हमने पेयर की बात करी, ट्रिपलेट की बात करते हैं. तो ट्रिपलेट की बात करें तो मैं आपसे अगर पूछूं कि स्पेस में अगर कोई पॉइंट है तो उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स कैसे होते हैं, तो उसके x कोऑर्डिनेट, y कोऑर्डिनेट, z कोऑर्डिनेट ऐसे रहते हैं. सो किसी एक पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स नहीं है, मींस x कोऑर्डिनेट इज 2, y कोऑर्डिनेट इज 1, z कोऑर्डिनेट इज 3. इसी ऑर्डर में लिखा जाएगा एंड दिस इज नोन एज ऑर्डर्ड ट्रिपलेट. सो कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट अगर हो तीन सेट की तो वो कैसे लेनी, लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल बिकॉज ऐसे क्वेश्चन आपको फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में मिलेंगे. सो ऑर्डर्ड ना कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट कितने, तीन सेट की. लेट अस टेक, वी हैव सेट ए सेम एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं एंड वी हैव सेट बी ए बी. ओके, then we have set C. Let us take, it has only चलिए कोई और लेते हैं, X ले लेते हैं. So what is A cross B cross C? So A cross B हमारे पास पहले से ही था, तो वो आप पहले जरा दोबारा लिख लेते हैं बिकॉज मैंने रब कर दिया है. A cross B is what, 1A, sorry 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A and 3B. Now it's Cartesian product with C. तो अब आपके पास ऑर्डर्ड पेयर नहीं होंगे, ऑर्डर्ड ट्रिपलेट होंगे. Each element of the set A cross B, A Cartesian product B with the set C. So it is what, 1A and the third element is X. Then this also 1B X, then 2A X, बीच में कोमा रहेगा, then 2B X, 3A X, 3B X, and the number of element in this is again number of element in set A, number of element in the Cartesian product of these three sets is equal to number of element in A, number of element in B, number of element into number of element in C. So in general, what result we can conclude, that the number of element in A Cartesian product B is equal to number of element in set A into number of element in set B. Suppose A has number of element P and B has number of element Q, then the number of element in A Cartesian product B is equal to P into Q. इसको माइंड में ध्यान में रखना है. Let's take the questions under this heading Cartesian product. Now we have, let's take this question, find out A cross B union C. कुछ सेट्स लेते हैं. Let us take, we have set A 1 2 3, मैंने सेम सेट ले लिया बट B और C को थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट ले लेते हैं. Let us, B has element 3 4 and C has element 4 and 5. So what we need to find out, B union C, Cartesian product with this. So first is what, find out B union C. B union C कितना होगा, it is 3 4 5. This we have already done from the chapter sets. So sets का आना जरूरी है जब हम रिलेशन फंक्शन करेंगे. Now Cartesian product with A. So what is it? It means इसका इसके साथ कितने एलिमेंट्स आएंगे, नजर पहले से आ रहा है. Here 3, here 3, 9 elements, 9 ordered pair will be there in this set. One with all these three. कैसे, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5. Then we have 2 3, 2 4, 2 5. Then we have 3 with 3. लिखना है, कहीं सोचो इसको लिखना नहीं. 3 with 3, then 3 with 4, 3 with 5, and you can count 9 elements are there. it will remain same. अगर आप दूसरी तरह से खुद करेंगे, ये आप खुद करना, आप चेक करेंगे कि A क्रॉस B यूनियन A क्रॉस C ये सेम आएगा। आप चेक करके देखिएगा, खुद करके देखना। जस्ट फाइंड आउट A क्रॉस B and then find A Cartesian product B, then find A Cartesian product C, and then take the union. You will find it is remain same as this. And take one more example because it is also there in your NCERT book. We have set A having element -1 0. Okay, चलो इतना ही लेते हैं, 0 and 1, and find out A cross A cross A. So ट्रिपल टाइम है, ट्रिपल है हमारे पास. So first find A cross A. A cross A फाइंड आउट करना है, यहाँ से करते हैं. A cross A, it is what? सेट दोनों लिख लेना है आमने सामने, ताकि आपको कोई वो नहीं लगे, गलती ना हो हमसे. It is 1 with 1, 1 with 0. Then we have 0 with 1, 0 with 1, and 0 with 0. Now next time again A cross A cross A. तो अब क्या लेना है, इसका इसके साथ. First 1 with all these 4, then 0 with all these 4. So it will become 1 1 1, then 1 with 1 0, then 1 with next 1 0 1, and then 1 0 0. Next up this with it is 0 1 1, then 0 1 0, then we have 0 0 1. बीच में कोमा जरूर लगेगा, मैं भूल जाऊं तब भी आपने लगाना ही है. Then it is 0 0 0 and 0. And how many elements are there? 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Count करें, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 elements are there. So students, अब हम इसकी definition proper कर लेते हैं. Cartesian product of two sets A and B, both are non-empty sets. So in set builder form, how do we define it? That it is a set of ordered pair AB where A belongs to set first set and the second element belongs to the second set. And if we have Cartesian product of three sets, then what is it? It is set builder form में कर रहे हैं हम, or it is the ordered triplet of these elements A, B, C, where A first element belongs to the first set, second belongs to the second set, and third belongs to the third set. और ध्यान रखना that two Cartesian product are equal only when the two sets are same. Now Cartesian product empty हो जाएगा, it will be an empty set if any one of two, either A or B, first either A or B empty, दोनों में से कोई एक सेट भी empty हुआ तो कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट empty हो जाएगी. दोनों में से कोई एक भी infinite हुआ, then the Cartesian product will also be an infinite set if any one of the two is infinite set. So you will keep these things in mind and you will solve the questions of exercise 2.1.